are on the way to the beach for Corky Beach Day.
Yeah, boy.
We're getting there in about 4 hours. It's 4 o'clock right now, so we'll get there a little after 8. So stay tuned. So I just...
Did you hear that though? Was that recorded?
Yeah.
Oh, frick.
Sorry.
Sorry.
We just stall out. Anyways,
No,
I just took off
I just grinded my gears.
all of
you know what
my...
really grinds my gears?
What?
When I grind my gears, when I don't push the clutch in all the way. Is that a dude and another dude, or a dude and a girl?
I actually don't know. I think there's 2 guys.
So I just got this green tea lavender iced drink or something. It's really good. Hamilton, what did you get?
I got a caramel like brown sugar banana nut frappuccino.
Hi! I'm going to Corky Beach Day.
Anybody could be that guy. Not as young as...
Hamilton, what time is it?
It's Tindy time. I just grabbed the hose. I was like,
We're here, made it.
what are we doing?
Made it to the beach.
Yeah, we did. Did we not already clarify that? I feel like we did, but yes.
It's Corky Day.
It is Corgi Day. So I found something fun on the second one. There is a screw-in that is completely stripped. And then one more thing, a broken screw.
Okay, so we're on the way to the Corky Beach.
Yep.
How's everyone feeling?
Feeling great.
Very excited.
This is Kylie, this is my roommate.
Hi, what's up?
I have on my Corky shirt. I'm ready to go.
Oh my gosh.
Everyone's going. Hi. Hi. So many corgis. I'm so happy. Oh my god. Hi. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes, we love you.
Leave them burning and then you're gone. Looking out for another. Anyone will do. You're in the mood for a dance.
I'm so excited. There's so many corgis. My heart is beating so fast.
I don't even have words.
Like, I think I'm gonna die. Hi.
So when is it? Like, what's the date for this? These dogs make me so happy.
Hello, friend.
That is so funny.
I love the beach. Corky Beach Day was a success and got our tea.